Thank you very much for listening to us. And tonight I'm actually finding a question. I think that is very important beginning of 2025. What are the cloud cost prediction for 2025? As we step into the 2025, the landscape of cloud computing is undergoing a significant transformation. Businesses are increasingly rely on the cloud to drive innovation, yet managing cloud cost remains a persistent challenge. With advancement in artificial intelligence, edge computings, and FinOps practices, the way we approach cloud cost optimization is evolving. Might be the trend going forward is AI driven cost optimization, edge computing expansion, complex pricing models. So I have founder with me who is a co-founder of Cloud IDR. So over to you, Khurshid. Can you tell us what's your prediction for cloud cost in 2025?
You have raised a very important, pertinent question. And to answer it, I will just kind of lay some background here. If you see in the last few years, the CIOs and CTOs have truly understood the trade-off between uh, planning efficiency, which comes through cloud, versus traditional on-premise planning deficiencies or excursions that companies had to do versus the cloud cost. So there's a trade-off, and I think everybody now realizes that very, very clearly. Uh, in the last few years, again, based on that, what we have seen is dozens of companies coming up who are offering cloud monitoring or optimization tools. In essence, these entities look at the cost and usage reports and try to make sense of where discounts should be purchased and how right sizing should be done. So those are two key mechanisms that have been in the play. I think moving forward in 2025 and onwards, what we will see is a more robust approach. And by robust approach, I mean, how can you, for every single workload, reduce the cost of cloud compute and cloud storage without doing massive multi-year contracts or commitments? That is a unaddressed need in the market. And the only way so far that the companies have been able to reduce that, let's call that live workload cost, is through migrating out of x86 architecture to ARM-based architectures. There's a step function change in the costing. But I think there's another layer out there which basically, which is an opening, a green field to say, look, how can you reduce the cost of every single minute that you spend using the cloud without purchasing 1 year, 3 year, or doing strategic partnership with the cloud provider.
But Khurshid, can you tell us, you are the co-founder of the Cloud IDR. First, what it is, and is there any potential roadmap you are developing for your customers in 2025?
But if you look at the history of Cloud IDR, we have developed one product, we added on another product in the last year and a half, and where we are moving forward with a rich roadmap, and we totally recognize that Kubernetes has become the OS of the cloud infrastructure. And one of the places that we are pushing forward this year is to make sure that our discounted cloud compute offering works seamlessly with Kubernetes and especially with Carpenter. So how can customers basically, without worrying about uh, the operational elements or configuration elements of Kubernetes, can get the cheapest compute that is available at that time. And let me remind you, your viewers, that this is different than buying just spot, because spot is not guaranteed to be available, or even if it's available, it can just disappear at a moment's notice. Where we are putting a product forward is to say, look, hey, you want to have cheaper compute, you want to be cheaper than on-demand pricing, And can you get for a for an extended period of time a heavily discounted cloud compute for your operational needs? And in our roadmap, what we are working as, just to kind of rephrase again, is to say how can we stitch that as part of the Kubernetes uh, operational infrastructure so that it becomes seamless and frictionless for users to consume that capacity at a low cost.
People, if you need more information around cloud IDR, go to the cloudidr.com and you will find all the detail. What are the offering available today? You can use scheduled compute capacity, cyber compute capacity today for your operational and configurational need as well. And we look forward to see how the things shaping up. And also the company has developed the new category called flex compute. That's what we call the fourth leg of the stool, customized for the non-study workload. Flex compute has multiple products customized for different type of workload. Customers save 30 to 75% by directly purchasing through AWS, Azure, GCP instance or VM through Cloud IDR at 10x or 100x higher uptime. With that, they hope you get, if you need more information around it, chat us with that. Go to the website, and you need more queries, put them into the comment section on the wherever you are watching from. Thank you very much. Happy New Year. We'll look forward to meeting you soon.